Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for January 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Leo, let's see. Energy update January 16 to 31, second half ng January. So you have the 10th house, moon in Taurus. Okay, so 10th house is your career. So maaring yan yung focus mo ngayong second half ng January. Yung trabaho mo, your reputation, how you show yourself to the world. You have the moon here. The moon is protection. This is also your emotions, your higher connection sa iyong trabaho. And some of you, you're going to be very practical, no, pagdating sa mga trabaho na gagawin nyo, sa career ninyo, sa business ninyo. You will do practical actions dun sa mga pangarap nyo or yung mga gusto nyo pang ma-achieve for your goals, yung inyong mga pangarap. Okay, let's see what else for Leo. Overall energy mo, Leo. Okay, you have the Ten of Pentacles. This is being family-oriented, focus on your finances as well. Pwede yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga discussion sa family about yung inyong kayamanan or kung paano nyo mas mapapaunlad yung finances nyo. Maaari rin merong mga pag-uusap pagdating sa mana. Pwedeng yung parents nyo, kinakausap na kayo about sa mga ibibigay nila sa inyong mana. Oo. Yung iba naman, this is growing your finances. There's definitely stability for you ngayong second half ng January in terms of money. You also have the Nine of Cups, which is fulfillment. Ayan, meron kayong wish fulfillment ngayong second half ng January. Yung iba, maaring meron kayong goal na magkaroon ng pet. So, makukuha nyo yung pet na gusto nyo, cat, dog, or ano mang pet na gusto nyo. Some of you will also have a very luxurious vacation. Siyempre, yung luxury, ano yan, depende na yan sa inyo kung paano nyo i-define yung luxury. Yan. Kasi yan naman ay subjective. So, yung iba, you will be going to a peaceful place na kung saan makakapag-relax ka, makakapag-detoxify ka. Oo, you have the Three of Swords and then the King of Cups. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, kaya meron kayong vacation, maaring merong challenges with someone. This can be with a water sign na connected sa inyo romantically. You might be trying to move on, or maaring meron kang hinihil sa sarili mo. There's also some sort of disappointment. So, maaring nadismaya ka sa isang tao na you are expecting that this person ay may ibigay sa'yo na dinideserve mo, and it seems na hindi niya kayang ibigayan sa'yo. Let's see what else. You have the Judgment. Judgment is about rebirth. This is releasing the old and embracing the new. So, maaring you are letting go of anything that is no longer serving you at nagpo-focus ka sa mga bago pang experiences na darating sa buhay mo. This is also a rebirth. So, maaring iba sa inyo, you are reinventing yourself. Like, it's a brand new you, Leo. Okay. Let's see what else. Meron ka ring achievement ngayong second half ng January. Pwedeng project mo yan sa career, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Sensuality. So, your freedom is flowing. Sabihin nito, you are able to express yourself, no, na ipapahiwatig mo yung sarili mo ng malaya. Yung iba sa inyo single, no? Naging single kayo kasi ni-let go nyo na yung painful situation with someone. You also have harvest. So, ito yung magandang ani para sa inyo. So, financially, things are doing well for you. Yung mga itinanim mo, yung mga trinabaho mo, nakikita mo na yung resulta niyan sa'yo. Some of you, yun nga, ito yung achievement sa project na nasimulan nyo. Nakikita nyo na yung resulta. Also have divine guidance. So, whatever changes that you are going through, no? Ano man yung pagbabago na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, isipin mo na lang na ito ay divinely guided. It is meant to happen. Dahil ito ay magbibigay ng daan sa panibagong ikaw. It's a brand new you na nag-e-emerge. Okay, let's see what else. For Leo, you have Mercury in Gemini in the 3rd house. Excitement. 3rd house is about connection, learning. So, maaring meron kang bagong pinagkakaabalahan ngayon na pag-aaralan, nire-research, something na very interested ka. Pwede rin may mga bago kang mamimit na kaibigan, connections na you are excited about. You also have Jupiter in Capricorn in the 10th house. So, 10th house na naman, which is about your career. Jupiter is the planet of expansion, abundance, prosperity. So, things are expanding for your career. Ang iba, maaring kayo ay mapopromote sa work or mas madadagdagan yung sweldo nyo. Yung iba naman, you will be recognized more sa trabaho or kakaroon kayo ng leadership role sa career nyo, sa trabaho nyo, or sa business nyo. You have Mercury in Taurus in the 2nd house. 2nd house is your finances, yung sources of income mo. Having Mercury here, maaring may bago kang ideas, mayroon kang mga inaaral, no? Like what I mentioned kanina, something na very excited ka na i-share or i-explore for you to improve your finances. Maari ring iba sa inyo, meron kayong special talents pagdating sa inyong communication skills, sa inyong public speaking skills, pwede rin sa inyong boses, no? You may be a singer, you may be a performer using your voice, using your influence. Yan. So, merong magandang opportunities for you. Now, let's get some messages for your career, money, and finances. Money, career, finances. For Leo. Okay. O, diba? Your dream life is manifesting magically. So, may minamanifest ka ngayon na ma-manifest sa iyong finances, sa career mo. So, whatever this is, ipagpatuloy mo lang yung manifestation at the same time, your actions. Yung iba sa inyo may kinalaman sa social media, being in the public eye, or nasa entertainment industry kayo, na maaring dun kayo mas makilala pa. Let's see what else. Money, career, finances. For Leo. You have the 9 of Wands. Talagang pinaghirapan nyo to. And alam nyo, Leo, merong mga taong will go against you. Yung tipong kukontrahin yung mga ginagawa mo para sa sarili mo or mga taong hindi nag-agree sa'yo. Pero, kung talagang naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo, no one or nothing can bring you down. Okay? So, sa love life, you have passion and wedding. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng pinag-uusapan nyo na ang kasalan, no? Or getting into a serious commitment with someone. Oo. Maaring super lakas ng inyong connection. You have the Page of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, I think part ng pangarap ninyo, no, lalo na yung mga in a relationship ngayon, is to get into a serious commitment. Like, yung iba, magsasama na ng person nila, pwedeng live-in, or anumang pamamaraan para mas may oras at panahon kayo sa partner ninyo. If you're single, be careful lang kasi baka meron kayong ma-meet na may asawa na. So, iwas na lang kayo sa complicated situation, okay? Be rid of your enemies. Maging maingat ka rin sa mga taong against sa'yo, no? Especially sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. Hindi may iwasan yung competition. Basta focus ka lang sa kung anong gusto mong i-develop sa sarili mo. And protect your energies. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.